We are inside TestOut lab, and we're going to be installing a processor. Alright, we have our tasks as usual on the left hand side. So our tasks are to determine which CPUs will work for the motherboard and where to plug in the CPU fan. Answer questions 1 and 2. Determine which suitable fan is the fastest. Determine which suitable CPU is the fastest and install it on the motherboard. We are going to answer question 3. Determine which heatsink and fan combo will work with the installed CPU. Then we are going to answer question 4. Then we'll connect heatsink and fan. So we have our computer set here. We have a CPU and the monitor. We are going to be, obviously we know that we are going to be working on the CPU. So we click on the CPU, it's highlighted, then we click on motherboard, that will open the PC up. Then we magnify it, zoom in. This is the processor area, and that is the area we're going to be working on. We're going to be installing the CPU. So let's go to our processors. I have several processors here, and we are going to be installing the CPU for this. So we are going to try them. This is an AMD Phenom. Then we have, this is 3.3 GHz, this is 2.4 GHz. And then we have Core 2 Duo, and we have i7 2.8 GHz, 4 MB cache. We have AMD. It's 2.4 GHz, and we have i7 3.3 GHz. So we try this. So this fits in. So determine which CPU will work for the motherboard and where to plug in the CPU fan. So we go to the fan. We have two kinds of CPU fan here. This is heatsink and fan, heatsink and fan. So let's see which of them will. No, this is not it. Yeah, so this is the right fan for it. Now we have to determine which CPU is suitable, fastest, and install it on the motherboard. Determine which heatsink and fan combo will work with the installed CPU. Answer question 4. Connect the heatsink and fan. So we've connected the CPU, heatsink, and fan. So let's answer the question. Which CPU sockets are supported? So we'll go back to our answer. So that is it. All of this is complete now. All of this is complete. So we'll go to score.